Welcome to my channel. So I thought of doing a couple of videos about tips and tricks about the MG ZS EV. So let's start. Tips and tricks number one is about the navigation. So we'll just start the navigation, and something you can do when you start the navigation, it comes to that point. You see the three lines here on the right side. You push on those ones and you go on useful informations, help nearby, and on the last focus on the last line you have charging station. And when you go out, I'm just gonna move the screen a little bit. Where do we have one in nearby there. It will show you all the charging station that are in nearby. Here we have one. So by just pressing on that charging station, you push on the select destination under here, start navigation, and it will guide you to the next charging station. That's so easy. And once you select it, all the charging station comes up on the screen, and you can select other features. So that was for the tips of the day. So have a nice day and see you on the next video. And don't forget to comment and let me know if there are something you want me to do video about. Have a nice day. Bye bye.